Good day everyone, my name is Tony and today I am going to tell you a story about the story of the four girls, Cholwee, Mampi, Chitalu, Misozi, and their banana. Contributed by the religious sisters of the Holy Spirit Zambia. I hope you will enjoy this. Once upon a time in a village, there lived a group of young girls. These girls had a good social life. They helped their parents a lot, and their behavior was so good so that most of the people in the village admired them. One day, the girls decided to go into the bush, and while there, they found a nice looking bananas. And so, they plucked them and agreed that they would bury them until the day they thought they would be ready. They agreed and went away. And before they agreed they came, one of the girls decided to betray the friends by uncovering the bananas and eating them all. When the day for checking the bananas came, they all went to the site, and to their surprise, they asked among themselves if anyone knew where the bananas went, but none answered. A few minutes later, a bird came back singing, telling them who ate the bananas, because the bird was the one watching. When the bird finished singing, telling them who ate the bananas, the girl who ate them came out and apologized to the friends. And they all forgave her and continued to be friends until they grow up. Thank you for listening and see you to our next story. Bye bye!